Have you signed up for Drive Expo 2024 yet? Hear from shop owners just like you why you should join this action-packed 4-day event full of learning, networking, and growing your business.
We wanted to come to the convention. It's a necessary thing for us. We enjoy the camaraderie of it. The networking is fantastic. In fact, we had lunch with new friends, shops from all over the country. We gather different ideas. We go back to our shop, heels are on fire. We implement new changes, and it makes everything that much better. We put it towards our staff employees, and they're always excited when we come back from Drive to have the new changes, because the changes benefit them also.
We come to the conventions to hear the presentations, learn from the presentations, but also to network with other shops. When you get to network with the other shops, you get to learn more about other areas of the country. You make new friends, you network with these friends, and a lot of times, over the course of time, when you've been a member for as long as we have, they become lifelong friends.
The expos are great. Every time I come to the expo, it is a natural high. You go home with new ideas, with new attitudes, and you want to succeed. You don't get burdened by the problems. I always recommend it all the time. I think I'm a lifer. We get to talk to people with like-minded people, with like-minded businesses, get to do the same thing over and over again, and get to do new things all at the same time. I love meeting my friends here. My friends have changed. I have more here than I used to have.
Drive, American Towman, and Babcox Media are bringing you a cutting-edge event, and we can't wait to see you in Dallas, Fort Worth, Texas, June 19th to 22nd.